Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Caldera, your Las Vegas Realtor, a Century 21 Americana. Today I'm here at Heartland Grove at Tule Springs by DR Horton. This community is a gated community. They have two master plan, which is 1611 and 1825. Right now we're featuring this 1611. This is a single story home. 1,611 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, and 2 car garage. This is a gated community and it has HOA for $137. And let's go inside and check what this home has to offer. Right at the front, there is a keyless remote entry and also a Ring doorbell. Let's go inside and check what this home has to offer. As soon as you walk in, on your left side, you will see this shared bathroom. It has a fiberglass enclosure and it only have one sink. Right here is your first bedroom. This is a decent size. It has one recessed light. And in here is your walk-in closet. It's a decent size. Now let's go check what's on this right side. Oh, I think that was the garage, but they used that as an office. Right here on the left, this is your modern kitchen. It features this nice countertop. What you see here, all the appliances is included in the house. You have a stove, microwave, your refrigerator, and let's check your walk-in pantry. It's a decent size. Over here, the kitchen area, you're looking at your living room. It features this two side-by-side window. And right through it is your dining area. And this is the door leading to your covered patio. This is included when you purchase the house. This is a model home, so the landscape in this house is not included. You have 1 year to do the landscape if you purchase this house, but for extra money. Let's go back inside the house and check the rest of the area. Right here, this is the primary bedroom. This is a decent size. The accent wall is not included. There's 2 windows installed in this room. Now let's go check your primary bathroom. There's a dual sink and also this fiberglass walk-in shower. Again, what you see here is included when you purchase the house. And right here is your walk-in closet. let's go check what's on this door. This is your water closet on this side. Pretty much this room is pretty spacious. There's one resist light installed. Now let's go back to your main living area. Now you see this open layout. Again, this is your living room. Perfect for relaxing. That's your modern kitchen where all the stainless steel appliances are included when you purchase the house. Right here is the third bedroom. They use this as an office right now, but you can convert this to a room. It has this closet. And next to it is your laundry room. Washer and dryer is included when you purchase the house, and also the shelvings here. This is also the standard flooring that comes with the house. Again, this is the 1611 plan, priced at $421,990. It has 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, and 2 car garage. And they are offering a special interest, which is 4.99 if you choose FHA and BA, and 5.50 if you choose conventional. They also threw in $5,000 towards the closing cost if you choose their preferred lender. Again, my name is Agnes Colera, your Century 21 Realtor. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video so you can get updated when there is a new one that is going to be in my channel. Thank you very much.